Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about A Course in Meditation, a 21-day workout for your consciousness, inspired by Osho. In a small village surrounded by mustard fields and quiet dirt roads lived Ananya, a young girl with restless dreams. Every morning, she woke before sunrise to help her mother draw water from the well, feed the cows, and prepare meals before the village stirred awake. Life was simple, predictable, and heavy in its own way. While others accepted it as fate, Ananya carried a silent question in her heart. Is this all life has to offer? When the new year arrived, January brought cold winds and fog that wrapped the village in silence. The elders spoke of resolutions that never lasted, while the youth dreamed but rarely acted. Ananya, however, felt something different this year, an inner urgency. She wanted more than survival, she wanted clarity, confidence, and courage. One evening, while scrolling on her old phone under a dim bulb, she stumbled upon a talk about a 21-day meditation journey inspired by Osho's teachings. The words struck her deeply. Meditation is not doing something, it is becoming aware. She had no money for retreats, no quiet room, no guidance, only willingness. That night she decided, this January, I will change from within. She began the next morning. Sitting on the cold floor, wrapped in a shawl, she closed her eyes. At first, her mind refused to cooperate. Thoughts raced, about chores, family expectations, fear of failure, dreams she was afraid to name. But Osho's idea echoed, don't fight the mind, watch it. So she did. Day after day, she practiced awareness, while walking to the fields, while cooking, while listening to village gossip. Meditation wasn't an escape, it became a way of living consciously. Slowly, something shifted. Her reaction softened. Her fear loosened its grip. The same village felt different, not because it changed, but because she did. Osho's teachings emphasize that meditation is not discipline but playfulness, not control but observation. Ananya learned to witness her emotions, sadness without drowning in it, joy without clinging to it. By the second week, she noticed her breath deepening, her posture straightening, her confidence growing quietly. By day 21, January no longer felt cold. She felt awake. This inner transformation sparked outer courage. Ananya applied for a distance learning course, something she had feared doing for years. She began journaling her dreams, speaking less but listening more, to herself. Her family noticed the change. She was calmer, more present, stronger without becoming loud. Osho teaches that true success is inner clarity, when the mind stops pulling you in 1,000 directions. Ananya realized she didn't need to run away from her village to grow. She needed to awaken where she stood. Months later, opportunities began to appear. A teaching role at a nearby school, a chance to inspire other girls who felt trapped by circumstance. She shared meditation not as a technique but as a way of living. Mindful walking, conscious breathing, silent observation. The new year that began in uncertainty ended in self-belief. Ananya's story reminds us of Osho's central message in A Course in Meditation. You don't need to change your life first, change your awareness, and life follows. Meditation is not about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you already are, beneath fear, conditioning, and noise. Whether in a village or a city, transformation begins the same way, with awareness, patience, and presence. And sometimes, all it takes is 21 days, not to fix your life, but to meet it fully awake. Thank you for listening. If you like the audio, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in next Audiobook Daily.